How to use Facebook ads marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am giving you a tutorial on how to use Facebook ads marketing, how you can create Facebook ads and target the right audience for your business. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up facebook.com, or you can simply go to business.facebook.com. So if you have a page on Facebook, then you will get your own Meta Business Suite. And in our Meta Business Suite, we have our own Facebook Ads Manager. We have our own Facebook ads. So if you have a page on Facebook, then you will be able to get your own Meta Business Suite. I'm going to open this up from here from my Facebook and take you to Ads Manager. There you go. This is our Meta Business Suite. And then there we have ads. So right here we have ads, create, manage, and track the performance of your ads, Facebook and Instagram in one place. I'm going to click on create ad from here, and it will allow me to create a brand new ad. So when it comes to creating an ad, we have three types of ads that we can create on Facebook: automated ads, choose a goal, and boost existing content. Now these are the three types we create, and they have different results for us. For example, this one is going to be to get better results, and it will be more personalized. Then this one is to actually start from a scratch, and then this one is to actually create something from your content that you already have on your page. So what we do is we can go with automated, or maybe we can choose a goal. So this one is going to be from the scratch, and I'll show you how to create an ad from scratch. So in choosing a goal, we have different options. Get start. Okay, this one is the same as this one. So we have get more messages, boost a post, promote your page, get more website visitors, and get more leads. So I personally create this one right here, get more website visitor, and this one, promote your page, because these are the two, and this one as well. What we can do is we can boost a post, or we can actually promote our page. So I'll show you this one right here, which is how you can promote your business on Facebook. Now, creating an ad is really easy. What we do is we simply enter all of the information right here. All right, so this is the ad that we can create on Facebook ads. Now you can see add creative, and we can add any kind of creative, or we can use a post that is already on our page. And then we add our description for our business. So I have just written like headphones and more, but we can enter whatever text we want to our ad. You just simply enter your description right here, and then you can see this is like the preview of our ad that is shown here. You enter any of the image or video, and you can click right here, choose an image, upload a new crop image. I can just go to upload new, and it will allow me to select from my computer. And then we can select the special ad category. In special ads, we have credit, employment, housing, and social issues, but my business does not involve any of that, so I'm going to leave that option. And then we have audience. So Facebook allows us to target our expected audience, and we can select the gender, we can select the age of our audience. Click on this right here, this option, and you can see that we can actually add any kind of audience, or if you just want to target men or women, then you can select from here. And in our age, we have 18 to maybe, let's move to 60. Perfect. And then we have location. So in location, I have added United States, and then we have right here some of the other places. And then we can also add our industry that and our interest, that what the ad is about. So this is how you select an audience on Facebook. Selecting an audience is an important part of creating an ad. So this is my audience right here. And then moving on, we have schedule and duration. So this is the main part where we select our schedule and duration for our ad. Now it depends on you that how many days you want to run an ad on Facebook. So let's say that I want to actually run an ad for 10 days. And of course, this is going to be the end date, and then it will change my daily budget as well, and the total budget that I will be paying. So I'm running an ad for 10 days, and I say that my daily budget is like this one right here. This is like $3. So I can say like this is it's $3, or maybe we can say $5. There it is, $5. So in $5 a day, I will be reaching more than like 1,000 people with my ad. And you can see right here, like people reached. These are like the estimated reach that we will be getting. And you can spend more and more money. Let's say that you have more money, then you can spend like $20 a day, $10 a day. And we can also choose like days from here. and it will show you your, total right here, that this is what you will be paying. And you just simply add a payment method to your Facebook ads. Click on payment method and it will allow you to add your MasterCard, Visa card, any kind of card that you have, and you will be able to add it right here. You can select your currency, add your card, and click on promote now, and your ad will be created, which will look like this. So this is like a page promotion ad. People will simply click on this thumb and they will like my page. So this is how you create an ad on Facebook ads. Let's move on to all ads right here. So if you want to go to your ads manager now, this is how you create ads, right? Now, if I go to all tools from here, and if I want to access more to my ads, then I'll just simply click on ads manager and it will open it up for me right here. Now this is our ads manager. All of the ads that you have created will be shown here, and again I can create a brand new ad from this option right here, but I just showed you how to create an ad. Now let's move on to the more into the manager, the Facebook manager. So I will be able to find all of my campaigns right here. There's an ad, and then there is a campaign that we can run on Facebook. And then we will be able to manage them from here. We can check our budget, we can check our delivery, we can check our performance, we can check our results that are given right here. Now, Facebook actually has improved a lot, and it gives us all the features that we need. So to create a brand new campaign, you can click on create option here. And again, it will allow you to create a campaign. Now, campaign is different than running an ad, but creating is quite similar. So when it comes to campaigns, if you're looking for an awareness campaign, then you can go with this one. Or if you want traffic and engagement, this is what we do. This is what I personally go for, to bring traffic to my website, to my page, to my business, and to get engagement. So these are the ones that we do for business. And then we have leads. Of course, if you are into this business, then we have app promotion and sales. So maybe we can go with traffic and click on continue. Now my campaign will involve more than one ad, and it can have like ad sets for me, and I can select different ads. So again, we select the campaign name, we have different categories, we have a budget, we can create A/B split testing type of campaigns on Facebook. A/B split means that we have two ads that we run at the same time and we compare their results. And then we have a campaign budget right here. So all of the features are given here. Of course, I actually want to show you like everything in one tutorial, so you don't have to watch a lot of videos for it. But you can see right here, this is like our manager. You can also check your review and publish. Like if there are ads that you have not published yet, you created but you didn't publish, they will be shown right here. Similarly, you will be able to check your ID from here, your pixel here, and then we have our other options in more. Click on more, and then you will be able to actually filter your search, add your IDs, and it will also give you different settings, and you will be able to actually customize your ads manager the way you want. We can also get an account overview from this option right here. If I click on account overview, it will give me analytics and it will give me insights to my account that I have, and it will show me my different pages, different alerts that I have. So it's like our manager to keep track of everything that we have. And we can actually, go to our business as well and keep track of our business account. If you have more than one account, if you have a business account and you have your own personal account, so Ads Manager allows you to manage them both. Now, keep in mind that the ad also works for Instagram, because we know that Instagram is also owned by Meta now. So you can also create ads for Instagram, and you can share your ads that you've created on Facebook with your Instagram. So there is no Instagram ads manager, because it's going to be same for Instagram as well. So it's like a double thing that we do, and you can also manage your Instagram ads with your Facebook ads, and you will be able to actually create campaigns, successful campaigns using Facebook. If you go to all tools again, we have different ads manager. Then we also get our own events manager with our ads. And again, you can go to audience, and in audience, you will be able to get more insights to your audience as well. So it's all about tools that we're getting with our ads manager. We have our own ads reporting. So let me actually show you ads reporting really quickly. You can see this is how you get your reports for your ads. You will get your own reaches, impressions, frequencies, and attribution settings. Everything is shown right here, your results for your ads that you run on Facebook. We can also create our own reports from here and we can save it. And then we're getting a lot of different tools that we can use for our Facebook ad. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Facebook ads marketing. I hope that you learned everything and now you know how to create an ad and how this marketing actually works. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.